welcome back to the Crow's Nest Railroad. Well, you know, it's kind of cool sometimes to see your layout or your train or whatever from someone else's point of view, and I actually had that experience recently. Nate, who's a fellow club member, was up at our spring meet at the Maricopa Live Steamers, and he was able to shoot some footage of my number 3 quarter outline locomotive, and I really appreciate that. Nate, thank you so much. It's really fun to see your train from someone else's point of view. So what I thought I would do, here you can see just a little bit of the footage. What I'd like to do is to put a link up here and have you jump over to Nate's website, Nate's Vintage Trains. He's got a lot of cool videos over there, and he's got a rapidly growing YouTube channel, so you want to check that out. Nate's Vintage Trains, and hopefully I'll see you right here next time. That's all for today. Bye-bye.